Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a sales order in Netsuite. This process will help you record items and services you have promised to your customers. So let's get started. First, here we need to access the sales order page. To do this, go to the opportunities, transactions, sales orders, and new, and in your Netsuite dashboard. And now in the custom form field, select the standard sales order form. This is the default form for most orders, but you can choose a different form if needed. Now you need to choose customers in the customer field. So if you're using the projects feature, you can also select a project or job here. Enter the transaction date. By default, NetSuite will enter your uh, today's date, but you can change it if needed. Choose the sales order status. Like the default is typically pending approval or pending fulfillment. So, and depending on your company's preferences. Now in the items subtab, you will add the items you are selling. Simply select an item in the item column and then uh, simply like select the item column and enter the quantity and then click add. All right. So if needed, you can add more details for each items, such as expected ship date, order priority, or inventory commitment settings. And next, you can add other relevant information such as shipping, billing, payment details, or even associate sales teams with order. And you can do also more. Once everything looks good, click save and save and print and save an email and then also click save. You can like do a lot of things like print, mail, and fulfill, etc. Now, if you're ready to fulfill the order right away, click Save and Fulfill. This option is only available for new orders, not existing ones. And if you need to edit an existing order, go to Transaction, Saves, enter sales orders, orders, then list. Then select the order you want to modify. And that's all there is to it. The steps are somewhat long, but make sure to follow this article here, the official article, to create a sales order in Netsuite.